Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glove Box, what we're going to do today is I was gifted a little Milwaukee 4.5-inch grinder. Didn't have a handle, didn't have a guard on it. And I tell you what, I have personal experience with this. I like guards. I get a finger nicked with this thing if I don't have one. Well, this is what the little shield looks like after I put the brackets on it. I really had to grind this nut down to get a little extra clearance, so I think with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and drill and install another nut and bolt right here. Well, this is the little Milwaukee grinder, and real good. I like it. But funny thing, the way this switch is placed, if I've got my finger right there, if I have it on, off, that's how I get this. So I decided I was going to just buy a guard for it. Not as easy as it sounds. This particular model, I can't find one. So what I decided to do is the handle holes here, that looked like a good mounting point, nice and solid, 5/16 bolts. Went to the hardware store, got a couple of brackets, figured out how I was going to have to mount them on there, and I bought these little universal grinding shields off the internet. Got 2 of them for $14. I've got another grinder, a different brand, that I need to do the same thing to, so I'll be doing that. And I'm sure the way I have to mount it will be a little bit different because, like I said, they're a different brand. But the way that I positioned the grinding shield, because I knew it was going to be stationary, I'm right-handed, so most of the time I'm in a grinding motion like that, something like that. So that shield being rotated up would work for me. If you were left-handed, it'd probably be just backwards. But me being right-handed, I thought for probably 80% of the time, maybe 90, this angle would work pretty good. Anyway, now my finger is not going to rub up against that because you tend to grab this thing just the way the trigger's made. You tend to grab it, and my finger would bump up against that wheel without that. So it's a little more user-friendly now. So anyway, guys, I tell you what, just a few little pieces, a little universal grinding shield and a couple little angle brackets, and you can get your grinder safe to operate once again. Don't risk losing a finger or getting an eye put out. So anyway, I appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm out of here.